This video is sponsored by House Party. Are you unable to travel abroad to see your loved ones or family members overseas? Well, House Party is the app for you. The House Party app is an app you can use to connect with your friends and family all across the world in these dark days of quarantine and self-isolation. Hey Max, how are ya?
Not bad, Jeff. Are you on the toilet taking a shit?
Yes, I am. The app itself is incredibly easy to use. In fact, even your grandparents can use this. You can join group video calls with all your friends, play tons of games. Is that a Stanzos?
Yeah, it's a Stanza's brand fedora. They're nice.
You know, even catch up with grandma if that's what you're into. The House Party app is free to download and available on iOS, Android, Mac, and Chrome. Use HowToBasic's link in the description below to download House Party for yourself. Once again, thanks to Epic Games for sponsoring this video. Make sure you click the link in the description below and stay safe, guys.